Hello world, welcome back to Accelerate and welcome to Cruise Culture, and once again we are here with wide open throttle power on the mobile dyno.
Yeah, now last minute we decided to chuck the Astra on and see what power it's running.
Yep, oh, you're right. So you may be thinking, oh, Kenny's only just got this. Yes, he's owned this car, what, 2 weeks?
Yeah, about 2 weeks. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I'm very nervous about it.
He was very confident until Lawrence started strapping it down. But
yeah,
let's take a look.
I am a little bit nervous now, so what do you reckon it's gonna take?
I can't wait.
It's gonna run?
It's a tough one because it's the VXRacing, so they say from the factory they reckon about 250 over the standard 237.
Not on the VXRacing, it's 240 still.
Oh, I got that completely wrong.
Yeah, so stock power is 237. Obviously we got Miltech catback, crossover delete, induction. We got hybrid turbo. So yeah, but it hasn't been mapped. So
and I spoke to Lawrence. I had a good conversation with Lawrence, and he prides himself on getting his dyno as accurate as possible. So in the real world, I'm going to say 238, because if we can get him on the standard power, I'd be happy with that.
I'm going to be a little bit optimistic. I was around 240. But it might have lost. It's done 111,000 miles. It might have lost a bit. So anywhere between 230 and 240, I think is a good number.
Let's break some hearts and hopefully it goes bang. Hopefully it doesn't go bang.
I was going to say, whoa.
Content.
A dyno, or dynamometer to use its full name, is a mechanical device used to accurately measure the vehicle's power output. Dyno designs do vary depending on whether they are two-wheel drive dynos or four-wheel drive dynos. Either way, a dyno will have a set of rollers to which a vehicle will be strapped to. The vehicle will then be warmed up through the gears and a power run carried out at full throttle will be completed. The dyno cleverly measures the torque against the engine speed and calculates the horsepower using the equation horsepower equals torque multiplied by RPM divided by 5,252. Or to put it simply, car magic stuff.
So obviously, as well as us documenting, we are doing it for Lawrence's channel as well, which is WOT. We'll put the link in the description as well. That is the look of a very scared man. So that was the last of the 3 runs. You do get 3 runs to make sure the power is consistent.
I'm not paying it.
So we don't know what the power, the figures are for any of the power runs. So once Lawrence has done his thing, we're going to find out together.
It's going.
I'm
so nervous.
It's not even my car again. It is nerve-wracking.
Oh, it's horrible, isn't it?
Sounds really good though.
It does sound
and it sounds healthy.
It's going to sound better soon, though.
Yes. Oh yeah. Very soon, actually. Right, so we've done the 3 power runs now. We're here with Lawrence. So, well, the main thing is 3 runs. So let's.
It is. It's the dyno of disappointment. That car we had on before was a good result.
Yep, mine's not.
It's all right. It's all right. You've got a lot of miles on there.
I love where he's trying to build you up.
Just tell me it's 180.
How long can I eke this out? 225.
That's not too bad.
Okay.
That's all right.
That's crap. It's not as much as my MX-5.
Don't give me that. MX-5 is about 20. I'm happy with that, considering the age of it.
Exactly. It's a healthy. It's a clean sheet.
Well, that was going to be my thing, because with Benzie P6, you said the torque curve was lovely. Is there anything funky going on?
Let's have a look.
Yeah, that's true.
I am not familiar with the torque curve of this engine. It's a turbocharged engine, I assume, making all those noises. But it looks pretty sweet to me. It's a double bump. Is it make some variable valve timing going on or something?
He knows a lot more about engines and stuff than we do. So.
Could that be the fact it's got a hybrid turbo and it's peaking from maps?
Oh, you could probably get a whole lot more now with the map.
Yeah. This is
of course. I keep forgetting you've meddled with it and you haven't told the brain anything.
I think we should say that. Let's say Kenny's owned this about 2 weeks. It's had some work done, but it hasn't been mapped. So there's a lot of potential there that we haven't unlocked yet, which is exactly why we wanted to get this done.
It's still more than my TT.
Oh yeah.
And the TT had loads of bolt-ons on it. So. Yeah, I'm happy with that.
My Turbo MX-5 is more than this. That's all I'm going to say, and I'm leaving. Yeah!
Turbo MX-5. Bring it on.
Bits, that's not
Exactly.
So that was the very new to Kenny VXRacing Astra dyno run at 225, and you made a very good point. The TT ran the same with all the bolt-ons and stuff.
Yeah, now, like we said, we did see the power curve, the dip. I do believe it's the hybrid turbo. Causing that, because obviously it's boosting in hard and then dropping off and then coming back in. So obviously with mapping and your exhaust being restrictive,
that is the beauty of, as you guys probably know, you can do all the bolt-ons in the world, but if you haven't got the map to get everything running right, then it's not going to happen.
It's not going to deal with it properly. So yeah, this opens the car to lots of possibilities, which I'm really happy with.
And we've now got baselines. So I want to say a massive thank you to Lawrence once again. Add wide open throttle power with his mobile dyno for sorting us out last minute.
And not blowing it up.
Yeah, that's always appreciated. I mean, not for me, because it would have been hilarious.
Yeah.
But anyways, thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.
No boom.
Cut in, but yeah.